was a pretty good meeting, right?
You did very well. I was very proud of you.
Hey, thanks.
But we should get going.
All right, let's go.
That.
What's wrong?
Kira,
What?
my coat has salt all over from your car. Have you washed this thing yet? You have not washed the coat.
Hi, I'm just trying to go through the car wash here.
What was that?
Just going through the car wash?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you take card here or?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I've like never been, so I don't know how it works.
Yeah, she's a newbie. You've never been through a car wash before in your life.
No. With my mom. Only
When you were 2?
Yeah. This is so exciting. Oh, should I open my sunroof? Getting a little claustrophobic.
It'll pass. Just breathe. Breathe.
Ooh, it's like we're under a waterfall.
I know that gonna have it your way or nothing at all.
This is cool. Wow. I'm just like a whole new woman. Oh, Tracy, she's a beauty. You were right.
I told ya.
She looks like the day I got her from the Honda barn in Stratham.
Yep, minus the sticker that's attached.
How often am I supposed to go through the car wash?
I would say whenever it's dirty.
Okay.
I think Bill would be proud.
Bill would be proud. High five.
She's the big deal.
She's a big deal.